What's wrong with you? I gotta take it off. Can I take it off? Please? Okay. Gonna let me? Why are you scared? You gonna jump in the bath? I gotta clean your booty anyways. Abby, it's not gonna get you. I know it's so stressful. I'm sorry. It's not gonna get you. I'm just gonna take it off. I just gotta unclip, okay? One clip. Don't bash my head into the wall. I can't do it with my finger. Hold on, I'm so sorry. Good boy. Thank you. Good job. Okay, ready? Ready for the hard part? Okay. It's gonna be okay. Okay, relax. Oh, good boy. Good job. Ready to get your booty clean? Let's clean your booty. Let's get that booty clean.